Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of the best gas shock strut springs for your RV bed door, truck bed cover, floor hatch, travel trailer door, and other custom projects. Introducing the Vepagoo 28-inch 55 pounds, 245N gas shock strut spring. Let's get into the details. The Vepagoo 28-inch gas shock strut spring is perfect for heavy-duty equipment like bed compartments, outdoor TV cabinets, RV beds, marine projects, outdoor box lids, storage lids, boat beds, truck canopies, trailer doors, and more. With a 55 pounds 245N force, this set of two gas shocks is super strong and stiff, suitable for lids or doors weighing between 47 pounds and 60 pounds. The Vepagoo gas shock strut springs are praised for their quality, performance, and value. Customers love how these struts provide perfect resistance against the wind, making them ideal for keeping RV queen beds raised and toolbox lids secure. The ease of installation and perfect fit are additional highlights that make this product a great buy. In conclusion, the Vepagoo 28-inch gas shock strut spring is the best Amortiguadores Para Puerta Trasera available in the market. With its strong force, sturdy build, and versatile applications, it's a must-have for any heavy-duty project. Don't miss out on this top-tier product that delivers on performance and quality. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.